Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. Alright you guys, update on the kitchen. The floors are done, you guys. So, they did a wonderful job on the floors. When I tell you the guys is beastie when it comes to the flooring. I would definitely highly recommend them. They did a wonderful job, even though I felt it was procrastination last week. But then I realized the guys are being thorough in each step that they was taking with the sheetrock upstairs in the bathroom, the plastering, the sanding, the plastering, the sanding, and then the painting. So they were very thorough and they did a wonderful job upstairs and downstairs. Let me pan around so you guys can see. They did a wonderful job with the baseboards and things of that nature. They did a wonderful job. And come over here so you guys can see how great they did over here. And what I'm thinking about doing, you guys, being that my stove is in the middle of the floor, the way they trimmed here, I really like it. But what I'm going to do is actually stain it because it actually makes the island pop. But I prefer for it to be stained on this side than on this side. If you guys get what I'm saying. Again, they did a wonderful job. Very pleased. The crew came in and texturized the ceiling today, so the ceiling is ready to be painted. They will. Oh gosh, I'm videotaping my garbage can, you guys. So the guys will be in here painting the ceiling tomorrow, and the texturized guy came in today. He texturized the ceiling. He did a pretty good job, but I'm gonna have to talk to the head dude in charge because I feel that he should have taped, because I can see the creases where the connections is for the sheetrock. Most people probably wouldn't even see it or pay it any mind, especially after the ceiling is painted. But for me, I see it, so it bothers me. And I'm assuming that's the woman in me. But the guy that texturized, he did a good job as far as that. But I'm gonna speak to the guy that sheetrocked and see if he can do something about that corner where I see it on the right side. And I'm sure he can add something in there to fill that up a little bit more. I think what happened was it dried up and settled, and I see it more than when he did the plastering of it. So that's what it's looking like now. It looks good. So I'm really excited to see how nice and clean the ceiling is going to be looking tomorrow. They will seal off this area right here, which is the hallway area. And they'll use a spray machine to spray the ceiling. Then the guy that did the sheetrock will be back, and he will install the lights. So remember, the fixture of the light got damaged on this side, and he will be replacing that. Probably, what's today? Is today Wednesday? Yeah, probably Wednesday. No, I'm sorry, Thursday. No, not Thursday, Friday. He'll probably be here Friday to finish off the light fixture, because they have to paint. And I don't think that he's going to make it here tomorrow after they paint. I don't know how that's going to go. These guys is in communication with each other, letting each other know when they're going to get here, who's going to do what first, and things of that nature. But for the most part, we are at the finish line, you guys. And I'm super excited. Again, they did a wonderful job. A wonderful job. All right, you guys. So tomorrow, my ceiling will be looking nice and bright and clean. And I will bring you guys a finished look. And then probably Friday throughout the weekend, me and my family will be moving everything back into the kitchen. yes, throughout Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I really want to get everything in here in one day and get everything, get some organization back in here. I don't want to drag this out all weekend. So I already told all my sons, I need you on deck this weekend. I don't expect for no one to be disappearing, so that we can get this kitchen moved back in. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. Oh, and I said I was going to bring you guys a video because one of the workers had helped me choose the flooring upstairs as well. He just seems like he has an eye for home decor. So he was actually saying that these curtains go really nice with the new reupholstered chairs that I did. And I think this is going to be a good choice. And the reason why I was saying that I probably would just use the valance, not the bottom parts, is because I have my appliance rack that goes right here in the middle of these two windows. So you really don't even see the bottom of my curtains. So I think I'm really going to just focus on putting the valance on top of these two windows as well as the window over here. So I'm gonna see if I can back up. I might need to turn this light on so you guys can see. And make sure you guys drop me a line, because I said I was gonna put the chair over here so you guys can see the chair and the curtains and do a vote. But I believe most of you guys said this stripe, and I think a few of you guys said the white with the brown designs in it. But most of you guys said these striped ones. So I think that's what we're going to work with, because that looks really good with the floor. Right? I think so. So you guys make sure you drop me a line. If you haven't seen those videos of the curtains that I made, make sure you guys go back and leave me some more comments, because I know I've seen most of you comments, and I believe most of you guys said the stripe. A few said the white ones with the brown designs in it. Now, the dark brown, everybody was like, no, that's going to be too busy. So I did do curtains with all patterns. I did, so that I can swap out. But I really think the brown ones will go good during the winter months because they are heavy, the mass fabric. These are very light, very summery, you know. So that's why I think I am going to go with these. All right, you guys. So this is Esikhomesteddah Homesteader, getting happy, getting to the finish line. And I want to thank all you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for cheering me on and all your encouraging words. I thank you guys always for watching Esikhomesteddah Homesteader. All right, family. So I will bring you guys some more updates, and I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button. And Esikhomesteddah Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Peace.